Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you check the Wise agreement into Wise application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to check the agreement with Wise, users simply have to open your Wise application at very first. And after opening the Wise application, simply unlock it with your biometrics or passcode. Then after that, tap to this profile picture into the top left side, and after tapping into there, you will get to see this page. Just simply scroll down a bit and then you will get to see this Our Agreements option. Simply select the Our Agreements option and it will lead you to your web browser. Now, after going into this page, you can see all of the agreements with you and Wise. Just simply scroll down and you can read all of these agreements into here. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update from the future. Thank you for watching this video.